back to my channel. For today we have a very common type of video in my channel. My name is Alejandra and this is our beauty space. If you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and let's get right into the video. For today I have my Emptiees products that I've been loving and products that I've hated throughout. So I'm always kind of nervous to make these type of videos just because there can be products that other people love and they necessarily didn't work for me. Doesn't mean that the product is bad, they just mean that they did not work. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the ones I've hated this month, just because I don't like to start with hate, but they really have not been my cup of tea. The first product being the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. This is a clay to mousse mask, and yeah, it really did not work for me, so I couldn't quite return it. And my best friend always tells me, don't buy skincare this big, like buy a sample or try a sample if you can, because if you guys do not know, I have very sensitive skin. And she always tries to push in the don't buy skincare, you know, because she knows that my skin is so delicate. And it just sucks when you try big products like this. And this product, legit, I have pictures of how much it burned on my skin. Like I said, not meaning because the product or the brand are bad, it just was too aggressive on my skin and it created somewhat of a burn. Was recently in one of my hauls. I know it's like super soon, but usually with like serums or oils, it doesn't take me that long to find out if I like them or not. And I'm talking about the Beauty Creations Glow Primer Oil. This is what it looks like. I bought this because honestly it was compared to the Farsali drops. I have not tried those, so I can't really say if they're very comparable or not. The only thing I found odd when trying this product is that this product is extremely glittery, like chunky glittery. And like I was just previously saying, my face being so like sensitive, this product like irritated my face so much. And not to mention, the glitter is not like that fine passable kind of just glowing from within kind of glitter. No, this glitter is like full-on chunky, like right there. I just wiped off the glitter and I could still see it. I don't know if the camera is capturing it for you guys, but if I go like that, it looks like hella glittery. And it's like chunky, so when you smooth it out around the face, even if you apply it with like a beauty blender, it makes my skin just cringe. I was like, no. Products that I have finished, just because there are quite a lot, and then I will end with my favorite product of the month that I'm so excited. Anyway, the first Emptiees is this Garnier Fructis Moisture Lock Conditioner. I usually go through conditioners faster than shampoo. With that being said, the reason why is because I don't wash my hair every day. Nasty, but not really. I tried this line from the Garnier Fructis. I usually always buy the Damage Eraser, but the day I went to the grocery store, they did not have that one, so I decided to try this one just because it says moisture. It doesn't smell bad. Honestly, it smells like a little fruit, sweet kind of deal. But I did not like it for the fact that it weighs down my hair. Even though it says it does not weigh down your hair, this conditioner makes my hair like super heavy. I have extremely long hair, by the way. My hair's all the way to my hips, so I don't know if it's because I've never had it that long or the product was really just weighing me down extra. Excuse this one because it looks a little gross, but it is a mask. So this is a Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat, a 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. This stuff, on the other hand, is so gorgeous. I would sometimes just put it on my hair, shower, and it would stay on my hair like 3 to 4 minutes, and my hair was instantly revitalized. It looked so healthy. It was so smooth. It would even like dry out almost straight, which is huge to me because my hair is naturally just wavy. It's not even curly or not even straight, it's just wavy. So the fact that this product was helping with that, I was like, I am sold, honey. I think I'm gonna repurchase this one. I don't know if they sell it like in the huge tubs, but I'm gonna definitely find out. And if I find it, I will update you guys on Instagram. I know you guys have been loving the Insta stories, and so have I. So next I have this Origins Cheek and Balances Frothy Face Wash. This is what she looks like. It's obviously gone, but I really like this cleanser. I think it's really gentle on my skin. I just overall feel like the Origins brand is really nice to me. So I think I'm gonna go find out how much it is. I know it's probably like hella expensive, but I'm definitely gonna find out because I am interested to repurchase. And another thing for the hair, sorry guys, this month's big on hair, but this one is the Victoria's Secret Hold Please Volume Hairspray Shine Spray. This is like a hairspray with like extra like shine. I don't know, I love to have my hair like super silky shiny, and I always feel like it doesn't shine enough, and since it's black, I'm like, come on girl. So this one's really nice. I really like it. It holds, but it's not like the crunchy type of hairspray. So it's really nice. I love the little bottle. It was my hairspray forever until it's gone, and unfortunately I cannot repurchase because it's discontinued. So wow, Victoria's Secret. Finally, off to the makeup. The first product, this is the Smashbox, a photo finish primer water. Finally, you guys, finally I finished this spray. I must admit, at the beginning I thought it was really good. It was really hydrating. It was really nice on my skin. But then towards the middle of the product, like it being halfway, I started getting bored. I felt like it wasn't really doing much. So I was just applying it to get it over with and finish it and stuff like that, until I started liking it a lot more. I don't know if it was because it was almost gone, but I don't think I'm gonna repurchase. If I do, I might buy like the little sample ones, just because it takes forever to finish and it gets boring. Like, I'm somebody that gets bored fast, and I was getting pretty bored with it. Next, another setting spray, but this one is from LA Girl. This is the LA Girl Pro Setting HD Setting Spray, a long-lasting matte finish. Woo! Let me just recuperate from that. I have mine in a sample size just because I didn't think I was gonna like this. This is like no joke. I know it says matte finish, but I don't really think it dries matte. I feel it's more like a subtle matte, which is like a satin, I would say. It just makes me look so healthy looking. Doesn't look cakey, doesn't look dry, and I love it. So yes, and I also finished this Milani Prime Perfection Primer. This is what she looks like. This one is the hydrating pore minimizing one. They do have a matte and refining one, but since I have dry skin, this is the one I tried. Not really my cup of tea. The product is not bad itself. I just don't like how, do you see how the product separated there? It still has a little bit. I don't find that it hydrates me a whole lot. I feel like it's more oily at the beginning, and then it just starts getting like super drying. So I was like, nah, I don't really like this one. So unfortunately, I will not be repurchasing. And second to last, I have the Tartist mascara. You guys know that this is one of my favorite mascaras. I really like it. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna repurchase, but not because I didn't like it, just because I have so many freaking mascaras on the use right now. Like legit, I have like 7. Who needs like 7 mascaras to be opened? Nobody. I know. And so for the makeup Emptiees, this is the Glam Glow Ultra Firming Treatment Gravity Mud Mask. The smell on this mask, it's like coconutty but lemony but fresh, but I don't know. And then the fact that it's like silver, oh my god, I am really considering buying the big one. I really enjoy wearing this mask and it just takes it off like that. It is so good, but I don't know if I'm gonna buy the big one. It's a little hella expensive, but I really think it's one of those masks that really makes you feel pampered and you feel pretty when you wear it, and you just look so bougie when you're wearing it because it's like silver. So I might repurchase. So now onto the products that I've been loving. I honestly only have one top favorite. I wanted to narrow it down to just one. And my product that I've been loving for the month of July is gonna be the Beauty Creations sponge. Mine is hella dirty. I know. But it's honestly those types of sponges that you'd never expect, that they're so low in cost and you never expect them to work as that one did. I honestly love it. I applied my foundation and everything on my face that is liquidy with that sponge today, and I'm hella impressed. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys are liking these series that I've been putting together for quite some time. I don't know what episode this one is, but I'm pretty sure it's like more than 5. So if you do like these videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so I know that you guys like these videos and I can keep bringing them to you. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
If any of these products are your favorite, please don't be offended by my video. If any of these products are your favorite, please don't be offended. By any means, I don't try to make anybody feel bad. This is just products that did not work for me.